Hello everyone, more blessings to all of us. I'm walking from Camp Allen going to Middle Quarry. We're gonna do little errands and grocery runs, so let's go. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us. This is our beautiful Baguio City. Look at the plants here in Camp Allen. Okay, we're gonna be going there. Going to Middle Quarry. We're gonna pass there. Drum and lyre practice. Okay, they stop. It's very hot. We are now here in City Camp. Okay, we are now again here in Middle Quarry. Okay, we are already here in Middle Quarry. Our mission today is I'm just gonna get the ATM card of my mama. She's 72 years old now. I'm just gonna make a withdrawal for her. We will make a withdrawal for her in Legarda. We will just walk BPI Legarda. So let's go. Okay, so we just got the ATM card. We will be walking again, going to Legarda to withdraw money for my mama. Let's go. So we are gonna go down to Lower Quarry using this shortcut, and we will go back to Legarda. Anyways, thank you for watching Entertain, Educate, Inspire Baguio. My name is Louis Corpuz. I was a former kickboxer. I make my own original music also. I teach Muay Thai also. So, thank you. I hope to get to know all of you also. We're gonna climb back up again. It's very hot. I'm a little tired now. Baguio City is like full of hills. Okay, this is City Camp Alley. From City Camp, you can pass by here going to Legarda Road. It's very hot. Whew. It's a long walk again. We came from Camp Allen, we walked to Middle Quarry. And we left Middle Quarry, we're going to Legarda. We will be going back to Middle Quarry again and going back again to Camp Allen. So it's a lot of walk. Okay, we are now here in Legarda Road. There's a lot of restaurants here and hotels. We're going to BPI there in hot. Okay, we just finished withdrawing money. We're going back to Middle Quarry. We're gonna walk again. Thai Street Cafe, wow. Okay, we will pass by again here. City Camp Alley. Going to Middle Quarry. Look at that place, this. Good thing it still has a lot of trees. It's Dominican Mirador. Okay, That is Diplomat Hotel. The one we covered with trees. Okay, we are back home. Lucky me, Pancit Canton. This will be our lunch. Okay, so this is my lunch. 2 packs of Pancit Canton, Lucky me. Okay, let's eat first before we walk again, going to back to Camp Allen. This is Lucky me Pancit Canton. I cooked it in the rice cooker. I removed my shirt because it's a little warm. Forgive me for that. Thank you. Let's eat first and let's go walk. Hello everyone. I did a little dress up because I made a Loom video that I'm gonna be sending to a company. We're gonna get changed again and we're gonna walk again. From Middle Quarry, we will go home again to Camp Allen in that mountain. So thank you so much for joining me. It's very hot. We did a lot of walk, so we will do more walk. Thank you so much. Okay, hello everyone. My mama gave me mango. Let's walk again going there. I just changed a little because I was sweating. Let's go walk. That's my mama. Bye-bye, ma. Love you.
Bye, love you.
Thanks, ma. Okay, we're leaving Middle Quarry. Okay, we will be passing again this alley with our mango from Middle Quarry going down to Lower Quarry. And we will be climbing again City Camp. Let's go. So we are again here in City Camp. Okay, this is Petron, Legarda, Jollibee. We're already here. So we are here. Look at that. The QE line of good taste. There's a lot of locals and tourists again dining. Very delicious also, good taste. This is Rizal Park. That's Burnham Park. This, if you will go to Tamawan or Longlong or Stone Kingdom. We're going to JNT. We will deliver our ukay-ukay. Okay, we are here. JNT. And deliver this. Okay, it's raining. We're a little stranded. Did a little grocery. I don't have umbrella. It's raining.